Equation 5 sinikezwe i-inverse function. Kahle inverse graph, but bayidwebe in terms of a function whereby if we use a horizontal line test, its cut is only 1 point. If we use a vertical line test, usually it cuts on only 1 point. So that's why it's being called a function. But the inverse is from a parabolic curve. So it says f of x is equal to minus square root of 27. X for x must be greater than or equals to 0. Yona graph is nigga on a line, and then busting as a point, you got p, it will 3 minus 9. It actually lies on the graph of f. So let's use your graph to determine the values of x for which f at x engaphezulu kukwa minus 9. So uzobuyela straight to graph yakho nali point lakho uyalazi u-x u-3 uma ngabe u-x elingana ncamashi no negative 9. So mabethi f at x usho ukuthi baqonda ukuthi y. So babuza ukuthi ikuphi lapho u-y ezobe ngaphezulu kwa minus 9. Siqale sibuze u-x ubani u-3 zonke iy'namba ezingaphezulu kwa minus 9. If it's negative 9 la, so le number lezi zingaphansi kwa minus 9, it's where uy less than, but ngala zingaphezulu kwa 9, it's where uy greater than 9. So babuza ukuthi ikuphi lapho u-f at x ezobe greater than, so ilapho u-x enjani, so umugqa wakho la u-x la u-3. So if ngishona ngapho u-x emkhulu khona ngiya ku-y less than, but uma ngiya kusuka ku-x esuka 3 eya ngapho ngiya kubani ku-y greater than 9, kodwa kumele agcine la kubani ku-0. So ithini-ke leyo interval izothi yilapho u-x ma ngiya kuyinamba ngino-3 la ngine-boundary o-0. Uma ngiya kuyinamba eyi-negative u-x wami ngizomdumisela, bathi akumele alingane no-negative 9, should nala kumele alingane no-negative 9. Uma kodwa la ilingana no-0, yes bangalingana no-0, but kumele ngisuke ku-0 ngiya kuyinamba e-positive, should x kumele ngimkhamisele and then noma lingane nobani no-0. That will be the values of x lapho u-y engaphezulu khona wa minus 9. So let's write down the equation of the inverse, which means f at minus 1. It's the inverse in the form of y equals. If bekhuluma nge-inverse, it's where uzothi kuyokwenzeka i-reflection ngalo line wa y is equals to x. Uline ohamba la. Lo line bekuthiwa y is equals to x. On a positive gradient o1. So lakhona khona ethi ngifaka u-y, lakhona khona u-y ngifaka bani u-x bashintshana. So njengoba ku-f at x is equals to minus square root of 27, lakhona khona u-x ngizobe sengifaka u-y, lakhona khona u-y ngifaka u-x. So u-y wami sekuzokubani u-x is equals to negative square root of 27y. Then I need to do y is subject of the formula. I will square both sides. Form a square bracket. This is x squared is equals to this 2 lona the square root of cancel neke positive, meaning the negative times negative. Then I've got 27y. I need to divide by 27 both sides. And then your new equation will be y equals to x squared over 27. So but say let's include the no restriction. The betela x must be greater than or equals to 0. So now in this case your x now will be less than or equals to 0. It's just that yashintsha nje kuphela. And then equation ilandela isithi asidwebe igraph ye-inverse. Sketch inverse of f in the answer book. So angina answer book ngizoyidweba khona la. Ama y-axis lawa, ama x-axis. So ngiyazi mina ukuthi ipoint ebebenginikele nivele ithi p u-3 no minus 9. So njengoba u-x eso-y, y wawu-x, so sizothi u-minus 9 nobani no-3. Ilona point elaphile le uphiwe inverse now. Okay, and then igraph yami uma ngabe ibhekile, uma ngibeka isibuko let's say reflection, lo line izoza la ushonele sekuphelile. Then I need to draw this function, sengiyidweba isoka la ku-0, and then it be just like a J function or a decreasing function, exponential graph, but iyafika la kubani ku-0, iyaphinda ku-0, but wazi ukuthi le graph ayiyona exponential, igraph ye-parabol. So igraph le kabani ka-affect -1, and uphi wakho nangu la ekhona umusha, u-x wakho u-9 and u-y wakho u-3. Kuyashintshana nakhona, u-x uba y, u-y abe u-x. Now, i-question yokugcina isebethi, I must describe the transformation esuka kwi-graph ka-f. So ibithi f at x is equal to minus square root of 27x. Now the new graph now will be g at x elingana na square root of 27x. Okusho ukuthi kahle kahle okwenzakele la kushintsha u-y, because if they divided by negative la, if ngifaka negative sign la, ubo negative f at x into nege, so meaningly u-affecteka i-negative sign kahle kahle. Iyona into eyenzakala uma ku-affecteka i-negative sign, ukusho ukuthi kushintsha u-y. Uma kushintsha u-y, ithiwe kusuke kwenzeke i-reflection ngama-x-axis, because uma ngibeka isibuko la kuma-x-axis, u-y uyashintsha. Uma kade positive uyasuka ngezansi ayoba negative, uma kade negative ngezansi uza ngaphezulu abe positive. So it's the reflection along the line of the axis. So it's a reflection along the x-axis, or you can say a reflection along the line y equation y is equal to 0. Or more time, let's say with a rule. A rule is x y, whereby kwenzeka transformation geometry, whereby x ubo x but into eshintshayo y, where kule equation ka x a greater than or elingana nobani no 0.
This podcast was proudly sponsored by PPR Education. Podcast Partnership Recognition.